to my YouTube channel. You can call me Jania. This is Jania's World. Moving on, today we have why do we sneeze? Very simple. Sometimes your body does not hold on. I just want to say, I know this subscriber thing isn't working. I promise I will get that fixed as soon as possible so you all can subscribe. And we are going to be having this together. Sometimes your body does things we do not ask it to do. Sneezing, coughing, blinking, and even yawning are examples of involuntary movements or reflex actions. What makes our body do these things? These involuntary actions are a response to stimulus. Believe it or not, when we do these things, our body is trying to protect itself. It's an irritant such as pollen from plant gets into our nose or nasal passages. Our body sneezes to get it out. If we breathe in dust, our body coughs to remove it, and our lungs or windpipe, we blink in order to keep our eyes clean and moist to prevent dust and other objects settling onto them. A yawn is a body's way of making us put more oxygen into our bloodstream. What tells our body to take care of us in the way it does? These involuntary of nerves, the central nervous system that covers our entire body, from the brain down to the spinal cord, to the spinal column, the column of bones, brain down the spinal cord into our spinal column of bones that goes down our back, to the very tips of our fingers and toes, very tip of our fingers and toes. When a body part senses certain things, like mosquito bite, message, it sends to the brain. And the brain sends a message back to tell it to itch. Without these reflex actions, we won't be able to live very long. And there's even a little picture. Let me show you guys. This girl looks like she's allergic to pollen and, well, she sneezed. So that's her way of body moving the room from nostrils. Have you enjoyed this short video of learning why do we sneeze? I will completely show you. Comment down below. I promise that subscribe button will click here. Otherwise, smash the like button, comment down below. I should do for the next video. Thank you for watching Jania's World. See you next time, friends.